Central Nervous System Infections and its Treatment. By Tirtha S. N. Kiro. Stress. Central Nervous System (CNS) infections are health problems that are linked to significant life expectancy and chronic repercussions that have disastrous effects on the affected individual's quality of life. These infections can affect the brain, spinal cord, optic nerve and their covering membrane. The impermeable walls of the skull and the spinal canal of the vertebral column shield these structures. Three distinct layers of continuous protective tissue, known as meninges, cover the spinal cord and the cerebral cortex. The pia mater is the innermost layer, and the arachnoid and dura mater, respectively, refer to the middle and outermost layers. Other potential causes of CNS infections include head trauma that results in fractures at the base of the skull or the cribriform plate, which can cause an opening between the central nervous system and the mastoid, sinuses, mid-ear or throat. Acute bacterial meningitis is a meninges and subarachnoid space infection that progresses quickly due to germs. The annual incidence in the USA is 1.33 cases per 100,000 population. Vomiting, photophobia and nausea are the common symptoms manifested. Spinal fluid examination is mandatory to diagnose the disease. It is essential to diagnose patients early and to initiate adjunctive therapy and empirical antibiotics. Viral encephalitis is the brain inflammation triggered by viruses. Permanent brain damage is the most dangerous possible side effect. Life-threatening problems are more likely to occur in persons over 55 years as well as in infants. Medication to treat the symptom is the available antiviral drugs. A brain abscess is a brain enlargement rigged with pus. It can happen when fungus or bacteria infiltrate the brain tissues following a serious head injury or infection. Symptoms may develop faster and can be in the form of headache, confusion, and double vision. For the diagnosis of the disease, blood and scan are helpful. Treatment options include antibiotics or antifungals or surgical removal of pus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.